Welcome back. Today we hit 50 subscribers and we're about to hit 10,000 views, which may not be much, but to me that's something. That's something I never expected to actually get. I never figured that I would hit 10,000 views. It was always a goal, but I didn't know if it had happened or not. I didn't know when it would happen, but it's happened in pretty much 1 year since I started this channel. If you can see that, that is what freedom looks like. Thank you all so much for putting up with my videos and helping me get to 50 subscribers and 10,000 views. I couldn't have done it without you guys. It makes it more fun when you guys are there supporting it. When you guys are there liking the videos, commenting on the videos, and you're watching the videos, that makes my day. It makes it all worthwhile. It's all worth it because of you guys, the viewers. And I can't thank you enough for watching my videos and putting up with it. For the 50 subscribers special, I have to have fun in the snow. That's just how it works. So we're gonna go over and find a parking lot in Mexico. It's funny, there's a little more snow in Mexico this year than last year. The traction control can't be turned all the way off for some reason. Mercedes doesn't want you to be able to do that. So I have to fight with that in order to get this thing sideways. With the Mustang, obviously, Mustangs are really light in the back, so they're extremely easy to slide, as we've seen in previous clips of Mustangs. Guys, we're in Mexico now. I'm going to turn the traction control somewhat off, and we're going to have fun for our 50 subscribers special, if you guys are ready for that. Thank you guys again for getting me where I'm at. I couldn't have done it without you. So if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button down below, drop a like, and please comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, and I love you all. Now let's hit 100, and if not 100, let's hit 1,000, because that'd be pretty freaking cool. So I'll see you guys in the next video. That was a lot of fun. I'll see you.